Good morning. We will complete our revision. We will complete revision on Unit 2. Okay? Dividing by a decimal. To divide by decimal, you should make the divisor a whole number. Then, in this example, we multiply both the dividend and the divisor by 100 because we have here two decimal places in the divisor. If here one decimal places, then we'll multiply both of dividend and divisor by 10. Okay, then we multiply 4.384 by 100 and 0.32 by 100. Then we divide as usual. 4.384 by 100 becomes 438.4. Divide 0.32 by 100 becomes 32. Then 438 divide 32, I will take 43 divide 32. What in table 32 gives me 43 or closest to it? 32 by 1, 32, 32 by 2, 64. 64 here more than 43. Then I will take 32 by 1. Then I will take 1. 1 by 32, 32. Subtract 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Drop what? Drop 8. 118 divide 32. What in table 32 equal 118 or closest to it? Then check in table 32. 32 by 3, 96. 32 by 4, 128. 128 more than 118. Then I will take 32 by 3. Then 3 by 32 equal 96. Subtract 8 minus 6, 2. 11 minus 9, 2. I have here decimal point. Move the decimal point to the quotient and drop the next digit, which is 4. Then I have 224. 224 divide 32. What in table 32 equal 224? 32 by 7 equal 224. Then 7 by 32 equal 224. Subtract, the result will be 0. This is the end of the division. Then to divide by decimal, you should make the divisor a whole number and divide as usual. Okay? Find the quotient of the infinite division. Here, find the result to the following to the nearest tenth. To find the result to nearest tenth, we will divide until we have two decimal digits only. Okay, then 5 divide 6, 5 divide 6, impossible. 5 less than 6. Then I put decimal point to open decimal digits. Okay, to put 0 in decimal digits. 5 divide 6, impossible. Put 0 to take another digit and move the decimal point up to the quotient. Then 50 divide 6, what in table 6 equal 50 or closest? 8. 8 by 6 equal 48. Subtract 50 minus 48 equal 2. Then drop the next 0. 20 divided 6, what in table 6 equal 20 or closest? 3. 3 by 6 equal 18. 20 minus 18 equal 2. I will stop here. I only need two decimal places to approximate to nearest tenth. Then 5 divide 6 equal 0.83. Approximate to nearest tenth. The tenth here is 8 and the hundredth 3. 3 is weak. Then I will cancel the hundredth digit and the tenth digit doesn't change. Okay? Find the result of the following to the nearest hundredth. Here I want the result to nearest hundredth. I will divide until I have 3 decimal digits only. Okay? Third means 1 divide 3. 1 divide 3. 1 divide 3, impossible. Put decimal point to open decimal places. Okay, start 1 divide 3, impossible. Put 0 and move the decimal point up to the quotient and take 0. then 1 becomes 10. 10 divided 3, what in table 3 equal 10 or closest? 3. 3 by 3 equal 9. 10 minus 9 equal 1. Then I will drop the next 0. 10 divided 3 equal 3. 3 by 3 equal 9. 10 minus 9 equal 1. Then I will drop the next 0. The 1 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 equal 3. 10 divided 3 أسفة. 10 divided 3 equal 3. 3 by 3 equal 9. 10 minus 9 equal 9 or equal 1 all the day. هفضل طول اليوم دي infinite division. طيب I will stop here. I want 3 decimal digits only. To find the result, approximate to nearest 100. Okay, 1 divided 3 equal 0.333. To approximate it to nearest 100, our 100 here is 3. And the thousands, 3. 3 is weak. I will cancel the thousand digits and the hundreds doesn't change. Okay, ده كان آخر lesson عندنا في unit 1. دلوقتي we will start unit 2. It was about sets. What is the set? The set is a collection of things or objects that we can exactly define. أقدر أحددها بالظبط. Example, the letters of word Sunday. Set or not set? Set. The letters of word Sunday S-U-N-D-E and Y. يبقى set. The intelligent pupils in your class. Not set. I can define it clearly. Okay. Number 2, the elements of set. Any set has its elements. They are the objects which form the set. Example, the set of letters of word Egypt. هي elements of set of letters of word Egypt. E, G, Y, P, L, T. Okay. Number 3, methods of writing sets. I can write the set with 3 methods. The listing method, description method, and Venn diagram. The listing method, I open braces and write the elements inside the braces, put comma between each 2 elements, don't repeat any elements, the order is not important. Okay. Description method, I will describe the set x such that x is a digit of number كذا. ال x هنا ده name of set. Any set, its name is a capital letter. Okay. Venn diagram method, بعمل drawing any geometrical shape. Oval, rectangle, triangle. Write the name of the set and write the elements inside the shape. This is the Venn diagram method. If we represent more than one set by using Venn diagram, we will find I have more than one set. If the 2 sets are disjoint, زي كده disjoints مفيش بينهم common element، يبقى كل واحدة في حتة. دي ده set و set. طيب لو intersecting set يعني في بينهم common elements، هلاقي between them common area. They intersect and they have common area. تمام. التو sets A and B. A equal 1 و 2 3. 1 and 2 and 3. ال B 1 and 4. they have common element اللي هو ال 1. دول disjoint، دول intersecting. Inclusion and subsets. A ب 1 و 2 equal 1 and 2 and 3. B 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Then A subset B. All the elements of A exist in B. يبقى this means A subset B. كل ال elements of A exists in B. ال 1 و 2 و 3 in A exists in B. Drawing ترسم كده A inside B. Types of sets. We have 3 types of sets. Finite set, infinite set, null or empty set. Finite set like the set of days of week. The element is finite. ليها end. element has an end. ايه هما days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Saturday. Is there any days else? No. يبقى دي اسمها finite set. But I have here infinite sets like the set of odd numbers. What is the set of odd numbers? 1, 3, 5 and so on. It has no end. يبقى this is called infinite set. Null or empty set it's denoted by phi. السيمبل ده اسمه phi اللي هو السيمبل of null or empty set. Like what? Like the set of even number between 5 and 6. Is there any even between 5 and 6? No. Then it is empty set. Okay. Number 5, belonging of an element to a set. This sign is called belong and this not belong. Belong and not belong between element and set. We put belong or not belong between element and set. If A equals 3 and 4 and 5, put the suitable sign belong or not belong. The 5 here belong or not belong to A? The 5 here exists in A? Yes, then 5 belong to A. Number 12. 12 exists in set A? No, then 12 not belong to A. Okay? Equal sets means the sets have the same elements. Like set X equal A and B and C, Y, B and C and A. Then X equal Y, the same element in A, the same in B. Inclusion and subsets اللي هي الريليشن دي اسمها subset. We put subset or not subset between set and set, between two sets. Okay? If A equals 3 and 4 and 7, Y equal 8 and 9 and 7 and 3 and 4. All the set A exists in Y. Then A subset Y. A has 3, 4, 7 and Y has 8, 9, 7, 3, 4. The three elements اللي هما belong to A belong also to Y. Y. All the elements of Y belong to A or found in A, exists in A? No, then Y not subset to A. Phi subset of any set. Okay, phi subset of any set. Number 7, intersection of two sets. Intersection, this is the symbol of the intersection. Intersection means there is a common elements between the two sets. If A equal 2 and 4 and 6, B equal 4 and 8 and 12, then A intersect B equal ايه هو الcommon elements element اللي between A and B؟ 4, one element 4. Okay, يبقى A intersect B equal 4. A intersect B equal B intersect A, the same. The next, if A and B are disjoint sets, disjoints, there is no common element between them. Then A intersect B equal 5. If A equal B, the same element in E equals the same element of B in B, then A intersect B equal A or B. The last one, if A subset B, all A inside B, then A intersect B equal A. In the following diagram, A equal 1 and 2, B equal 3 and 7 and 1 and 2. Then A intersect B هما الcommon elements اللي في ال A and B ال 1 وال 2 اللي هما كلهم A. يبقى if A subset B, then A intersect B equal A. طب phi intersect B phi. ال phi intersect any set في ال A في ال phi. Number 8, union of two sets. Union اللي هو the symbol of union. Union of two sets means all the elements in both of the two sets, A and B. If A equal 2 and 3 and 5, B equal 6 and 8 and 3, then A union B, all the elements in A and in B. يبقى 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 8 don't repeat 3 again. Then if A subset B, then A union B equal B. An example here, this is the set A and the set B. Set A 7 and 3, set B 3 7 4 2. Then A union B, يعني all the elements in both of A and B 2 4 7 3. Okay. The next phi union P equal P. يبقى phi intersect B equal phi. Phi union P equal P. Okay. Number 9, the universal set and the complement of set. الuniversal الكابيتال U. ايه هي الuniversal set? It is the mother set which includes all the given sets. كل دي هي الuniversal set denoted by capital U. يبقى الuniversal equal 2 6 8 5 9 and 3. في ال opposite Venn diagram ال A equal 6 8 5, ال P equal 5 and 9, A union P 6 8 5 9, A intersect B 5. Right? يبقى الuniversal all the set inside the universal. The complement of set A equal A dash. يبقى A dash اللي هي ال complement of A. ايه هي ال complement of A? It is the set of elements in universal not in A. يبقى ال A dash elements in universal not in A. يعني A dash A بلاش. تمام؟ يبقى A dash A بلاش، ما نحطش أي حاجة في الست A. If universal 1 2 3 4 5 وال A 3 4 5, then A dash كل ال elements اللي belong للuniversal doesn't belong to A. يبقى 1 and 2. يبقى A dash A بلاش، كل ال elements اللي في ال U except ال elements اللي في ال A. لما أجي أقول remark A union A dash equal universal. A intersect A dash equal phi. Phi dash equal universal. A union universal equal universal. طب universal dash equal phi. Universal union universal dash equal universal. Universal intersect universal dash equal phi. A complement يعني A dash dash ترجعك لل A تاني. يبقى A dash dash ترجعك لمين؟ لل A تاني. Return to the A. Back to the A. Okay. The last lesson, the difference between two sets. For any two sets A and B, A minus B equal A equal the set of element which belong to A and doesn't belong to B. يعني ال elements اللي في ال A ومش في ال B. Okay. Example A equal 1 و 2 4, B 4 و 7. Then A minus B elements belong to A and doesn't belong to B 1 and 2. B minus A element belong to B doesn't belong to A 7. A intersect B الcommon area اللي بينهم 4. A union B all the elements in A and B 1 2 4 7. Right? The last remarks, A minus A equal phi. A minus phi equal A. phi minus A equal phi. Phi minus universal equal phi. Universal minus phi equal universal. If A subset B, then A minus B equal phi. A subset B means all the elements in A exist in B. Then A minus B, there is no element belong to A and doesn't belong to B. Then A minus B equal phi. اوكي، ده كان summary على unit اللي هي LSAT. right.